Hey everyone, welcome back to Health HQ. Today we're diving into a kitchen staple that's been cherished for centuries, olive oil. But we're not just talking about any olive oil. We're uncovering the incredible benefits of this golden elixir. Ready to discover why olive oil should be your new best friend? If you are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about heart health. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for your heart. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. Imagine this, a heart that's strong, resilient, and happy, all thanks to a drizzle of olive oil. But that's not all. Olive oil is also a champion when it comes to fighting inflammation. It contains powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This means less joint pain and a lower risk of chronic diseases. It's like having a mini anti-inflammatory army right in your pantry. And let's not forget about your skin. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer that's great for all skin types. It's rich in vitamins A and E, which help keep your skin glowing and youthful. Use it as a nourishing face mask or simply add it to your diet for that radiant glow from within. Here's a fun fact. Olive oil can even boost your brain health. The antioxidants in olive oil help protect your brain from oxidative stress and can improve cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a gentle workout every day. Who knew your favorite cooking oil could double as brain food? And if you're looking to manage your weight, olive oil can help with that too. The healthy fats in olive oil make you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. But wait! There's more. Olive oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it for cooking, drizzling over dishes, or even as a base for homemade salad dressings. It adds a delicious flavor and enhances the overall taste of your meals. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to reach for that bottle of olive oil. With all these amazing benefits, it's more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a powerhouse of health and flavor. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Drop a comment below. How do you use olive oil in your kitchen? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.